Hello everyone, this is Who Are You platform. You are blessed wherever you are right now. I am blessed too. Miserable life is free. Happy life is free. It's now up to you to know where you want to belong. The choice is yours. Is this life worth getting miserable over and over? Are you sure about this? What is bothering you? Misery is a waste on the miserable. Think very well. Overreacting and overthinking can never solve your situation right now. You see, let me tell you, the situation you are now can only be good when you think positively. Money doesn't buy happiness, but lack of money buy misery. Try to make more money. Don't let your feeling lonely push you to the arm. That's someone that will make you more miserable. Live happy and avoid people that make you miserably. Be careful. A little misery at a time makes one appreciate happiness. Happiness is always good. Be happy for the moment. This moment is your life. No medicine cure what happiness cannot. Always be happy. This is Who Are You. Thanks for watching. Please always subscribe, like, share,